Olwell Oraime ng Mapua. Nakakagulat tong
of Olwell Oraime. And this is the start of the game. That is why we are in the All-Star dunk for the first 2 points of the game.
De La Cruz and Bright Acueti. Madalas niyang gawin yon kay Ola Adeogun. Samantala, Fort Saavedra.
For his coach, si Coach Berhel Meneses.
You mentioned substitutions. Pinasok na ni Coach Jamaica rin ang tandem ni Salado at Halalon. It's the bus driver and the conductor connecting here in the All-Star game. Kasama natin si Siege Tantenko reporting for the East All-Stars at si Roxanne Montealegre.
Yan ang ating aabangan dito.
Itong si John Elagan, who knocks down a three-point bomb, is the late replacement.
Tapos mahaba, no? He can play the number 2 and the number 3 position.
What a move by Giovanni Halalon. Dire-diretso sa basket.
Mayagpag ang laro dito ng West.
Nieles umatras. Binagsak ang bola. Basket is good for Justin Serrano. Gusto makabawi ng West team. Pagkatapos matalo nung nakaraang taon, Jonathan Gray.
To shine, ang yan ang ginagawa dito. The sunshine, prove yourself in a very deep bench.
Oh, what a move by the bus driver, Giovanni Halalon. Halos hindi na nakatingin sa ring.
And I thought he was going to use his left hand. Kanan pa ginamit.
Stars, maski na hindi pa gumagana ang opensa ng Big 3 ng Letran. The game is tied and Olwell Oraime is playing well. Shannon start at center para kay Coach Aldin Ayo.
Let's see this defense by Rusey Koga.
Oh, wow! Tempo, high arcing shot. Legion Sports League ng Pilipinas ang NCAA.
The efficiency of offense. And this will be another 2 points.
Oh, 360! The Tay-Tay twist!
He's got 11 points. I like this man. Ang gumagalaw.
Pero ito naman ang pambawi ni Francis Bonsayak. Alanes, nag-iba ng direksyon. Alanes, drop pass. Lang niya, ma-shoot ang isa. For the win, Mark Cruz, the Ant-Man!